Changing security settings on your Barclays account is essential for protecting your personal information. Follow these steps to quickly adjust your security settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Barclays website or open the Barclays app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. Click on it to find the option for Security Settings. Step 3. Update password. Before changing your settings, use the eshar.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication 2FA within the security settings. Enable this feature and follow the instructions to link your mobile device for added security. Step 5. Review account activity. After updating your settings, check the account activity section for any unauthorized transactions. Report any suspicious activity to Barclays immediately. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Barclays account effectively. Always remember to keep your security settings updated regularly.